Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have come on tonight to show you the bag that I use with me today. This is the Thirtyone double up crossbody. It is the City Charcoal Swiss dot pattern. It is a beautiful cloth bag. It's not a black bag, it's not a gray, it's kind of a charcoal. It does come with these detachable hooks right here that you can take off if you wish to use it without the strap. It is a crossbody strap, so it is adjustable. You can make it shoulder or crossbody, whichever you prefer. I found this bag on eBay and I just received it last week, so I wanted to make sure that I got good use of it, so I did take it with me today. There are no pockets on the front or the back of the bag. The bag does have a clasp that comes along the bottom for a snap closure, and it opens this way. Beautiful turquoise lining inside. For the size of this bag, I was quite surprised with the amount of storage this bag had to offer. So let's take a look and see what I packed with me for today. In the back of this bag, there are two pockets that are here. One is an ID pocket. You can put some ID in here. The other is a 3-card slot holder. So I did put the cards that I needed with me today that I would be using the most. I have behind here a Band-Aid, as well as an alcohol wipe. In the back pocket, I also placed with me a pen. I also took with me my Ultima mix, as well as a hair pretty and a nail file. And that's all I have in there. It also features a zippered pocket right here. Now you could use this for bills if you choose not to use a wallet. I did not bring a wallet with me because I did take my cards with me, and that's all I used for today. So I did use this pocket for just my makeup touch-up. So in here I have my pill bottle. I also have just a clear lip gloss. I have a tinted lip gloss as well. A small hand cream. I took with me also the Born Lovely Sarah Jessica Parker. I have a eyeliner. I have my Sage Roll-On Peppermint Halo. I brought my eyebrow pencil, as well as another pen. I also have my lip gloss. This is the Sage lip gloss. I did have that with me as well. I also noticed there is a second little zippered pouch right here, and in between that they do offer just a small pocket, and here I put a hair tie, as well as I put my cable cord. In the front zippered pocket of this bag, I did put my phone in here with me today, as well as a pack of Kleenex. And that's all I had in the front. I did secure that because with the snap closure on the bottom of the bag, I was a little weary that if I did drop the bag, or when I went to get out it was upside down for whichever reason, or it did fall over in my truck, I didn't want anything to come out of the bag because, as you can see, it is quite open. So for that reason, I did store my phone in the front pocket, zipped closed. So this is my first bag that I've ever owned from Thirtyone. I am quite impressed with the size of the bag. It was not too expensive. I did pick it up, as I said, on eBay, and it was just under $20 that I picked it up. So for that, I'm quite happy with the price point as well. There's the beautiful strap. And as I said, these are removable. You can take them off if you want to use it as a wristlet or use it on its own. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the like and subscribe as well. If you wish to be notified when I upload another video, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you soon.